bypassing on a DMP XR Series control panel with an area system type. We're going to press Command until we get to menu, no yes. We're going to press the soft key under yes. I'm going to enter your user code, and we're going to hit Command. We're going to keep hitting Command until we get to bypass zones, and we're going to press a toggle select key or a soft key. We're going to enter your zone number, and then you press the soft key under BYP. It says Zone 1 bypassed. To unbypass a zone, from the same menu, enter the zone number, and then press the button under RST. When you're finished, press your back arrow until you get back to your